Hello students, how are you today? Okay, I hope you are all fine. Are you ready to learn? Oh, I hope you are all ready. Okay, so today we will talk about carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Again, carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Okay, please repeat after me. Say carbohydrates, protein, and fats. Very good. Okay, so before we will start, let's read our vocabulary first. But I want you to listen to me, okay? And after, we will read the vocabulary all together. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Please listen. Carbohydrates, bread, noodles, rice, protein, egg, fish, meat, fats, full fat yogurt, dairy. Okay, now let's read it all together. Please repeat after me, okay? Say the word carbohydrates. Very good. Next, bread. Okay, noodles, rice, protein, egg, fish, meat, fats, full fat yogurt, dairy. Okay, very good. Okay, so we will talk first carbohydrates. Again, we will talk first carbohydrates. Okay. So carbohydrates are substances found in certain kinds of food that provide you with energy. Okay? Foods such as sugar and bread that contain these substances. Okay? So again, carbohydrates provide you, these are the foods that provide you energy. Okay? So I have here some examples of carbohydrates. Noodles, bread, and rice. Okay? So these are the examples of carbohydrates. Again, what is the first picture? Okay, noodles. The second one, bread. Very good. Next, rice. Okay, so these are the food that gives us energy. Okay, so these are the examples of carbohydrates. Okay, next one is protein. Okay, look at the picture. You can see different kind of food contains protein. Okay, so proteins are building blocks of life. So every cell in the human body contains protein. The basic structure of protein is a chain of amino acid. So you need protein in your diet to help your body repair cells and make new ones. Okay, so these are the foods. I have here some examples of protein. First picture is meat. The second one is egg. The third one is fish. Again, the first one is meat. The second is egg. The third one is fish. Okay? So these are the examples of proteins. Okay, next. Fats. Fats. Please repeat after me. Say fats. Okay, so the body uses fat as a fuel source. So fat is the major storage form of energy in the body. Again, fat we use fat as a fuel source, okay? And the fat is a major storage form of energy in our body. Okay, so these are the examples of fats. We have milk and yogurt and all the dairy products. Milk and yogurt. You can see the pictures on the screen. Okay, so these are the examples of fats. Okay, so I have here questions, okay, to know whether you understand our lesson. Okay, so for example, I will ask, name some foods that contain blank. So your answer should be 4. Okay, next, does a or an blank contain blank? So your answer should be yes, it does. No, it doesn't. It contains blank. Okay, so let's try this one. Name some foods that contain carbohydrates. Okay, give me 4 foods that contain carbohydrates. Okay, noodles, bread, rice, and pasta. Okay, very good. So those are the foods contain carbohydrates. Next, does a bread contain carbohydrates? What is your answer? Yes, it does. Very good. Okay, so it's our activity time. I want you to answer correctly, okay? So, this one. Write your name on the blank and write your number. Okay, so this is the direction. Identify each picture whether they are carbohydrates, protein, or fats. Write your answer inside the box. Okay, so for example, number 1, noodles. Is it carbohydrates, protein, or fats? Okay, fats. Okay, so I write carbohydrates inside inside the box of noodles, okay? Because noodles is carbohydrates. Do you understand? Okay, very good. Thank you so much, and I hope you will study your lesson, okay? Thank you, students, and goodbye.